We seem to be in a culture of victimhood, blaming and shaming, and this becomes the narrative with which young people are now faced with. And young people are faced with this narrative, and they have to ask the question, what is my identity if that is the predominant message out there? So given that cognitive biases are so rife, and given that the human brain is really quite delicate in managing these, as lawyers, my first question is, in the most ideal world, how would you like the law to address the biases that the media may either consciously or inadvertently share?
Well, I don't know if this mic is on or not. Is that better? Yeah. Okay. So I won't be able to directly respond, but here's what I want to say. Where the media could really be helpful, in my opinion, is to try to make sure the playing field is even and balanced, and therefore the reporting should be even and balanced. And much easier said than done. The reality is that media today, particularly when you plug in the social media part and you include local media, it's about speed and about getting a message or a thought or some news out fast. And my experience in the last few years, and I've been doing this 50 years, my experience in the past few years are the news is not as balanced as it used to be. And all of us out here, whether we read print, which doesn't exist like it used to, or we're on the internet, or it's Twitter or whatever, gets bits and pieces of the news and generally accepts that as fact, when sometimes it isn't the reality.